Benefits of Kuan Yin, or Inner Heavenly Light and Sound Meditation, Part 15 of many.
When you are initiated, take full advantage of it. Meditate regularly, as much as you can. Make it a habit. And then you will get all the benefits. Within this physical life, within the physical body, you can find everything that's ever been created. Within this physical body, you'll find God. You can see God, merge in God, be God. Within this physical body while you're physically alive. What else do you want? The greatest opportunity.
That's the best thing that happened to us, the Kuan Yin method. Meditate first, everything else comes along.
For more details, please visit suprememastertv.com/meditation.